Today's math in your own lesson is 6-6, using addition to check subtraction. I always like to start with our name at the top. Start with that, please. Now you're taking a look at these. Again, friends, I would start and just right above them figure out right away 2 minus 7 is a regrouping or not. If you just spend a little time, then it's going to help you when you get down to it and say, oh, well, this is quick. So like here, 8 minus 1, 4 minus 2. I can do 8 minus 1. Like I could just go do this one right now. Right? Let's see. 8 minus 1, 7. 4 minus 2, 2. Okay. So what this is doing over here, it says write in the missing part into your model. 27 goes in here. Now it says to check it with addition. What does that mean? 27, 21. So take the bigger number, 27 plus 21. Add them together, and now you have to add them here. 7 plus 1 is 8. 2 plus 2 is 4. It's just a quick review. Well, guess what? 27, 21, right? Here's 27. Here's 21. 27 plus 21 equals 48. Boom. It's just checking with addition, something that you spend a ton of time on. Just a quick check. Any more that you can actually add? Well, 3 minus 9 I can't, I gotta regroup. 4 minus 9 I can't, I gotta regroup. 2 minus 7, I gotta regroup. 0 minus 4, oh no, regroup. Oh, look at this. 5 minus 2 can do it, absolutely. So go ahead and solve that one. Subtract down the columns. Start with the 1s and the 10s. Write your difference here, and then add them. Add these two together. Add these two together. You're going to add these two and these two to check it in that space next to it, friends. You got to add. It says add. Check it by adding. So up here, I'll do the first one with you, and I'll do a couple on the back, just kind of go over directions. Here it says 52 minus 27. I can't do 2 minus 7. I need to grab a 1. Take one of those, grab a 10. Take one of the 10s away. Got 4 10s. Add a 10 here, because I'm going to regroup it. 10 plus 2 is 12. So what do I have? I have 4, and I have 12. 12 minus 7 is 5. 4 minus 2 is 2. I have 25. Now this is the step you're going to have to do, you haven't done before. So make sure you're watching how to do it. You take these two numbers and you add them. 27 plus 25. Add 7 plus 5 is 12. Well, 12. 2 1s, 1, 10. Regroup it. 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. Oh, ding, 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 ding. This should equal this. It does. Awesome. Go ahead and do 4, 5, 6, 7 on your own. You should be able to knock those out. Remember, subtract, regroup, write your difference in here, and then add them together in the middle. Add, and add. Down at the bottom it says Maria uses 35 plus 24 to check her answer to a subtraction problem. Write 2 subtraction problems Maria could have solved. Whoa. Okay, so 35 plus 24. Let's solve it. 5 plus 4 is 9. 3 plus 2 is 5. So now you know you have 2 subtraction problems. This is the difference that you have to, the minuend you have to use twice. 2 subtraction problems, 1 subtraction problem, 2 subtraction problems. 59 minus. So I need a 51 minus this and this. 59 minus 35. 59 minus 24. You can just solve those, friends. 9 minus 5, 5 minus 3, 9 minus 4, 5 minus 2. Write the difference down here, and you knocked it out. It was a tricky problem. Now you've got 2. It says 2 subtraction problems. I've got 2, right? 1, 2. Pause the video if you need to catch up on that. I'm going to go pretty quickly through that. Pretty self-explanatory. Remember on the front, regroup, write the difference, check with addition. On the back, A lot of words does not mean harder. A lot of words just mean you have to start reading them. 62 students are doing science experiments. 48 students have cups of water. The rest have ice cubes. How many students have ice cubes? Whoa. So you have to check by adding. Well, this is nice because they give you a subtraction here and addition right next to it. 62. This is tough because you have to stack it in here, jam it in. 62 minus 48. First subtract it, and then we're going to check with addition. Well, 2 minus 8 cannot do. I need some ones over here. Well, where am I going to get the ones from? Right here. I'm going to grab a 10, put 10 ones next to it. Now I have 12. 12 minus 8, 5 minus 1. 12 minus 8 is 4. Why? Because 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, count up. 5 minus 4 is 1. Now I can check using addition. How do I do that? I start from the bottom and work up. 14, and then more, 48. Check it with these two, the difference and the subtrahend, and just check. 8 plus 4, 12. Regroup the 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. 62. Oh, good. Look at that. 62 and 62. So what's my answer? 14. Did that one for you. I want you to try this one on your own. So this is just writing a subtraction story. Friends, I have a lot of friends coming over to ask, what do I do here? Well, just write one. Addison has 65 pieces of candy. She loses 41. How many are left? Use are left. Or if you have a sister or brother, say like, my brother has 65 pieces of candy. I have 41. How many more? Any more works too. And then write the story problem here, and then down here, subtract it. You gotta solve it. Guess what? You don't even have to regroup. Don't have to regroup at all. But it says check by adding. So you're gonna subtract this, and then you're gonna add it over here. Which means you're going to add this and this, and hopefully get the difference of 65, or the sum of 65. Go ahead and knock those two out on your own, and then last one, Bill has 17 more craft sticks than Roger. Bill has 45 craft sticks. How many craft sticks does Roger have? Which shows the solution to how to check it. Whoa. Let's solve it. Bill has 45 craft sticks, and he has 17 more craft sticks than Roger. So 45 minus 17. Just regroup it. Once you solve this, the answer will be very evident. That's your math on your own. Any questions, come see me.